Nokia through the mobile phones. Technology solutions has shown. Who is the largest sellers of the music? Airtel. Airtel, gentlemen. So these type of the technology solutions are available, and these are not available with somebody else. It is in our hand. Why can't we come out with this type of innovative technology solutions? We can do it. With a composed, cool mind. Only I am using only 2C, Tripathi ji. Composed, cool mind, we can be able to find out one by one the solution of all these problems which we have discussed today. We must be confident on that. Like in the second one, it was suggested on the literacy. Literacy has never been a constraint as far as e-governance is concerned. My view is totally different. Let me tell you, when the wireless solutions get penetrated every nook and corners of India through the mobile phone, with every individual, even the garbage pickers also, they are having the mobile phone. They don't know what is 1, 2, 3 and what are the buttons. Everybody uses this. Like rightly some of you pointed out, that once they are getting their deliveries and solutions, they are ready to do it, even no matter what the age they are. Like we all know, in many houses, all the grandparents are learning from the grandchildren about all this illiteracy and whatever the computer games and related things. Literacy things comes automatically. That will never be an issue. My views are a little different, gentlemen. Please bear with me. And the change management. Of course, this is a typical problems we have in the government departments. We believe not in the management of change. We believe change of the management itself. But there are ways these type of the solutions also can be brought on, not by the regulatory and legislative measures. Here also technology can provide a good solution like through RTI. Put the entire background details, biodata details, CV details, service record details, put it before the public, make it on the web, then see how many people will be dared to change. This is my view. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Give him a big hand for last question. I think I'm sorry. I'm really short. Yeah. Sanjay, yeah. Or he has mic now. You can't help it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think he has been. Okay, last two. All right.
Okay.
I'll give both of you.
Hello, everybody. Thanks, Shashank, for this fantastic session. But I have a slight difference. I'm sorry, I'll introduce myself. I'm Sanjay Gadale. I'm the founding CEO of the Center for Climate Change for the Government of AP here, and also an independent management consultant of SGC Enterprises. I think the most important point which has been missed out, which actually covers all these five, it's a superset of all these 4 points, is governance before e-governance. Everything gets covered in this. The first thing is that if you don't have governance, e-governance is irrelevant. And e-governance is just is a very, very small subset of governance. When there is a lack of faith in governance itself, any sorts of e-governance initiatives that you try to put in has got, actually, as Mr. Arana also was mentioning, as he would have faced the RTI. In fact, we have interacted on mail, but we are not met till today. Is that things just don't fall in place. That's my intention.
Thanks. Yeah, last.
Yeah, that was in the young generation language, very awesome things, all 4 points. Myself, Mustafa, I have just joined Wipro 2 months back. I'm working for MIT, the Managed IT Division. Basically from Bombay, born, brought up there, studied in Pune, last 5 years in Hyderabad. I think a phenomena that I follow for the last 16 years, I'm out of my home, is that first is I, then is we, then is you, then is relax, then is love, and then is relax. A 5-point strategy. Always if you think about I, we will never go to we. And if we always think about we will not think about you. And if we go about the next level, that is love, which obviously everybody wants, then only we can relax. So all this point taken, my dad is just 12th pass. But when I make him sit on the computer and make him read the Marathi newspaper online, his literacy is taken care of. if
No,
I-
so what is your point? Sorry,
So my
we have
point
to
is
be very
simple.
brief.
My point is simple. There are no issues in India. We all, generation X, Y, Z, have reached a stage that we can tackle it. Governance, e-governance, there are only jokes that are going around here. I believe there is no concrete step that is going to implement after we leave the room. I have been through an MBA process where a rigid management process
No,
goes.
so what is your, what are you saying?
So we have to take something out from here, not leave everything in the room. That is what my point is.
Okay. Thanks. Okay, I
The
think...
whole idea means that is
Yeah.
what we all
All
are
right.
gathered for.
Enough chance by government. So I am the rarest of the government official who is in e-governance for the last 10 years. So I want to make a statement. Yeah, I have surpassed my mentor also. He has become secretary. He is no longer in e-governance. So I am Ashish Sanyal. I have introduced two 10,000 crore projects in the government from 2002. I will only make a statement which will make the solution. Ratnaprabha has actually touched it. I am supposed to implement projects in the states of 33 states with IT departments. I promised to cabinet that it will be done in 18 months. And it is only after 60 months, still only 30 out of 33, 25 had met the SWAN. CSC is 80,000. And in the process, in 5-6 years, I have met 190 IT secretaries. I think that is the answer.
Good. I think...
She made that statement. She told that continuity.
I know.
I touched it.
I think let me summarize it very quickly. I think there are no quick solutions as to any of this problem of country. We can go at top and say governance is a problem, or we can say something else. But I think I would only like to summarize saying that it is about change that we are talking, whether it's political will or change management or whatever it is. And I think, as Mr. Shivaji said, that I think all of us has to make that commitment to change ourselves first. I think responsibility lies with bureaucracy, political will, and industry also. I think it is on both sides. I think let's make that commitment to make change happen, and I think everything will work well, hopefully, and we will be very near to Singapore, hopefully someday. Someone said it is very unfair to compare, but I still want to set very high target. So let's cross Singapore, and I think we can do with all the talent around this, here, and there. Thank you very much.